Last episode we did the Jungle Bird, a very bitter tiki cocktail. That's actually another idea of tiki. Welcome back, and what I'm talking about is a sense of proto-tiki. And what I mean by that is it wasn't created in the time of tiki, not in the 40s and 50s when it really took off. Again, referencing Don the Beachcomber, Trader Vic, things like that. No, it was created later on and in a exotic location at the time. There's another cocktail that is also proto-tiki. It was created in Hawaii, actually, in Waikiki at the Halekulani Hotel and their bar known as the House Without a Key. It is the Halekulani cocktail. Now, unlike other tiki cocktails, which typically use rum, this actually utilizes rye whiskey. I've never had it. Let's make it. I need to get myself some Angostura bitters, and I'm going to go 2 dashes of Angostura. I need a lemon, and I need a ½ ounce of lemon juice. And now I need a ½ ounce of orange juice. I need a ½ ounce of pineapple juice. Again, this is store-bought. Now I need a ½ ounce of Demerara, Turbinado, Muscovado, brown sugar, whatever you want to use, dark, simple syrup. I need a bar spoon of grenadine, just to add a little bit of blush to the drink. This is a Libyan company. You can easily make your own grenadine. I don't have it, so not going to. And now I need rye whiskey. Cocktail, the recipe I'm using says use 100 proof. Well, best way to go 100 proof, bottled and bond, Rittenhouse. Bottled and bond, 100 proof rye whiskey. Now I have everything, you know what's next. Grab large ice cube, straight in. Good. I need to double strain this one. Grab yourself a Nick and Nora or a coupe, something along that line. Take your Hawthorne, and I'm going to double strain this for clarity. Reason being is I know that the ice cube shattered in the tin while I was shaking, so I want to make sure I get a really nice smooth cocktail. Double strain. This is the Halekulani cocktail. Cheers. It's interesting. The proof, of course, being 100 proof, 50% alcohol, you know, it really does help. But the rye spice blends well with the fruit juices. It's a good cocktail. I like it. I like this, especially compared to, say, the Jungle Bird from last week. That one was just bitter. This is on the opposite side. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet, but it's on the very bitter end of the spectrum. But it's a good cocktail. It's very refreshing. I do like this. Another really good cocktail to have in the summer when it's, you know, 100 degrees outside and you're like looking for something to enjoy. Having this as a nightcap, not a bad idea at all. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Have you had any of these cocktails? Do you know of any other cocktails in terms of tiki based that could utilize whiskey? You can find me on my socials down in the block below. Personal YouTube page, youtube.com, Scott W. Smith. Try to game, maybe make a cocktail. I don't know if I'll make this, but I may make something like an old fashioned. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.